The bass is gonna go in the washing machine.
You just have to add in some these. Oops.
There's SS. There's bass.
That was a lot of scent beads.
Yep, too much.
Alright, and hand wash. I'll get the camera right here.
Hand wash, start. Start it.
Look at us
I'm
going.
gonna do the whole thing, the whole like hour.
Just set it down right here.
No, it's okay. Is there a Tide Pod in there? This is getting water. Where's the other side? Where's Bass is not getting? Bass is getting wet.
Bass isn't getting wet right now. Big bass.
Paul, your blanket's taking up all the water. Come on, Bass, get wet.
Mine's taking all the water.
Yeah, bro, your blanket's gonna get like soaked.
Oh, I can see it fogging up already.
Oh,
That's why you have to place the camera on the.
on Bass right there. There's SS, so he's right there. Oh, there's Bass. Bro, Paul's thing's getting all the water.
My blankie.
Where's Bass?
I see bass. I see
Oh,
bass.
she's right there at the
Oh,
Come on, that water's getting more.
oh, and the Tide Pods are popping.
Really?
Yeah,
Where's Bass?
right there.
Right here. The new voice is our brother.
Yep.
You know, doing the whole 15 minutes.
This was boring.
Oh, that's what it is. Bro.
Little bass going through the wash.
She's not even like spinning.
Yeah, it's not spinning yet.
Do you want me to pause it and then we can resume?
No. Bass. You see bass? Did you see bass?
Yeah. Back with the YouTube. Yeah, we're back. She's spinning around. In the water.
This is SS's second time.
Oh, there's a little yellow thing. She's open. Like popcorn.
Look at that bass.
Oh,
Oh, they're gonna get water all over SS. No, no.
all that water.
Little bass. Little bass.
Cameron. Oh, unpause it. It's so. We're back. Hi. I know this is super boring. Fall asleep. Told you.
Oh, bass!
Oh, look at that!
Is that out of it?
She's out of her cage. I'm gonna tell her. Hey, mommy.
Yeah, good. She must have been very busted out over.
Like me.
No, she's gonna die. She's out of her cage. Imagine the spinning this back. I'm really look. The Among Us.
Yeah.
She's completely. Imagine how wet Bass is right now. I'm gonna stop it at 6 minutes, okay? You didn't need to say that. I can watch this with 42 minutes left.
Are we just gonna stay here and watch for 42 minutes?
Yeah, 59. Okay, we're back.
Come on.
No. Oh, Bass. Bass is gonna be infamous for getting washed. Where's SS? Oh, SS is still in his cage. We don't care about SS. We only care about Bass because she's out of the water. She's out of her cage. Look at SS. Look at SS. Look at SS.
SS looks like he's coming out of his cage.
He's not.
He's not anytime soon though.
Of course, Bass got the worst cage. Oh my god, that was a big pause. Okay. Look, she found her cage. SS is still in his cage.
SS never left.
Where's SS? Oh, there he is. Hey, SS. Why is this video just about Bass? I'm trying to find SS. Oh, there he is.
We should make an all about Bass video.
How we came up with It's raining. It's rinsing.
Spin's coming, you
What does
guys.
rinse mean? Does that mean it's draining all the water?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
There's Bass.
It's draining all the water. And it's adding new water.
More water, bro.
Just a
so
little
excited
bit.
for
I'm pretty
Spin.
sure.
I need no blood my nose. Dude, stop sneezing.
Alright. Let's see this. Look at little Bass.
No.
Yes!
Stouffer's lasagna.
Lagana. Lasagna.
Double meat, family size. Party size, actually.
Nice. Spin's coming. Spin's coming.
Move.
It's drying and then it's gonna spin.
I think I'm allergic to laundry.
Come on.
No, it's just because we have Alvin. Oh, Ben, don't say that. No, I didn't. Come on, rinse. Spin.
We need a spin Bass.
Fine.
I probably shouldn't have
No.
put my blanket in the thing. 'Cause it's like, yeah, because like,
Here's my ASMR. Ready for spin. Come on. Come on, this gotta be 10 minutes. We're gonna do a part 2 for the dryer. Stop. Ah. Ew, you farted.
yeah. Ben farted.
No touchy.
The guy who played SS in Bouncy Christmas just farted.
Nice. Oh, it's spinning! Look at follow the yellow thing. The yellow one is Bass. Oh my god, it's spinning!
Look at the yellow thing.
Look at the blanket. Look at the yellow thing. Oh my god. Where's SS? I don't know, but all I see is Bass. All I see is Bass in the blanket. Follow the yellow thing, that's Bass. Oh. I'm gonna go tell them. But I'm not giving any blanket. Mommy, I wanna see Bass spin. We still have 29 minutes, bro.
Look at the yellow thing.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's spinning so fast. It's gonna give me some.
Bass is gonna die.
Yeah.
Hey, it's getting faster.
But what if she splits open?
We'll do an RIP video then.
No, then you have to give me another bass for my 16th birthday.
It's blending the colors well.
And she's
Where's the SS?
Hey.
Where did SS go?
I don't know. He died probably.
I think SS is spinning.
put it down on the.
It doesn't do anything. No. I would stop it.